I'm Andrew R.T. Davis and I'm the Conservative member for South Wales Central. South Wales Central is an area that stretches from Penderyn in the north to Barry in the south, St Mellons in the east to St Bride's in the west. Thank you for watching this. I'm really appreciative of you taking the time to learn a bit about myself as an Assembly member. I was a farmer before I went into politics. I was first elected in 2007 and subsequently elected in 2011. My interests are swimming, rugby and spending as much time as I possibly can with the family because I have 4 children, and so as you can imagine that creates a lot of time to be spent on football fields, rugby fields and participating in what they like to get up to. Also, my particular interest here in the Assembly are education, health, rural affairs and the business community. And I look forward, if you so wish, to making contact with me so I can deal with any issues that you would like to discuss with me. My contact details are on the page that you're viewing at the moment. But once again, thanks very much for watching this, and I look forward to hearing from you if you have any issues you want to discuss.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.